Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, welcome back to my video review. Now, I want to share a detail and honest review of a product I've been giving recently. I, the name is Maduzesmag. This is a herbal honey blend that's specially made to help with stomach problem like bloating, nausea, and general discomfort in the digestive area. I've been using it for a while, and in this video I want to talk about the taste, the texture, how it's work, how my body reacted to it, and whether I think it's worth to try. So let's get into it. First, let me tell you a little backstory about why I even decided to try this product. For the past few weeks, I've been struggling with an uncomfortable stomach. I often get bloated after meals. Sometimes I feel a bit nauseous for no clear reason. And there are days when my digestion just feels off. It's not super serious, but you know how annoying it can be when your stomach isn't cooperating. It affects your mood, your productivity, even your sleep. So I start looking for something that could help calm my stomach naturally without relying on chemical based medicine every time. That's when I found Madhusesmag. I saw a lot of people recommending it for stomach relief. And since I know the honey can be soothing for the body, I thought it was worth trying. The packaging is a brown bottle with a orange label, and you can clearly see the illustration. Yeah, this is a honey, ginger, turmeric, and other herb. So from the start, you kind of know what to expect. Something natural, warm, and comforting. Now, let's talk about the taste. Because I think that's the first thing people are curious about when it comes to herbal honey product. When I open the bottle, the smell immediately reminds me of a mix between pure honey and traditional herbal drink. Nah, it has warm, slightly spicy aroma, most likely from ginger and turmeric. When I took my first spoonful, the honey flavor came through strongly, but in not in an overly sweet way. After that, you can hmm, after that you start to feel the herbal notes, a bit of ginger kick, a bit of turmeric bitterness, and some mild earthiness from the other ingredients. If you use that, if you use to herbal drinks, this will feel familiar. It's not weird to unpleasant at all. In fact, it feels comforting, like something you would drink when you're sick or when your stomach is cold. Next, I want to tell you about the texture. The liquid is thick and sticky, just like regular honey, but slightly richer in color because of the herb. It has a deeper brown shade. When you swallow it, it cuts your throat smoothly and leaves a warm feeling in your chest and stomach. That warmth is actually something I really like because it makes you feel like the ingredients are really working from the inside. I took madu I took madu zesma consistently. Usually 1 tablespoon in the morning before Allah Akbar, before eating, and sometimes at night before bed. On the first day, I didn't feel a whole change yet, but one thing I noticed that my stomach felt calmer. The Allah, the bloating was still there, but a bit lighter, and I didn't feel as uncomfortable as usual. On the second and third day, the effect became more noticeable. After meals, I didn't get bloated as easily. And the random nauseous I sometimes experience almost completely disappear. It wasn't like a miracle cure that worked instantly, but it definitely made my stomach feel more stable and relaxed. One thing I appreciate is that this product doesn't cause anywhere side effect. Sometimes herbal product can feel too strong or leave a strange aftertaste. But Madhusesma didn't do that. It feels gentle on the body, which makes sense because the main ingredients are honey and herbs that are generally easy for the digestive system to accept. The bottle also include a halal certificate. Where halal? Where the halal? Oh yeah, that's it. Halal certification, so that's reassuring for people who pay attention to that. Now on. I want to tell you about how it actually works based on my experience. The ginger helps warm the stomach and reduce gas. The turmeric helps reduce inflammation, especially for people who have sensitive digestion or mild acid problem. The honey itself acts as a soothing agent that coats the stomach lining, making it feel more comfortable. And when all these ingredients come together, they create a calming effect that you can actually feel after a few days. Another thing I want to mention is the convenience. You don't need to brew anything. You don't need to hot water. You can just take a spoonful whenever you need it. The bottle is easy to carry, easy to store, and doesn't require refrigeration. That makes it perfect for people who travel, go to school, or work long hours. Of course, like any product, it has pros and cons. One of the pros is definitely the natural formula. If you prefer herbal remedies for over chemical medicine, this is a good option. Another pro is the taste. Some people might expect strong bitterness from herbal drink, but this one is quite mild thanks to the honey. And in terms of result, it genuinely made a difference for me. So, do I recommend it? Yes, especially if you're someone who deals with bloating, nausea, or general stomach discomfort. It's simple, it's natural, and for me, it's work. If you're looking for something to help regulate for your stomach without relying on chemical medicine too often, Madhusesma is definitely worth a try. And that's wrap up long detailed review. Hmm, okay, maybe this for me video review for Madhusesma. Madhusesma. Yeah, this is my job from my teacher, from my mentor in Polytechnic IDN. Yeah, SKL English. Okay guys, don't forget to buy this honey zesma. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.